Hey, Emily.
And
Oh, hello. Jessica, great.
I
Hello, Emily and Brianna. What the heck?
because I know for sure.
Yeah, like we killed your boyfriend yesterday, but whatever. Gotta get over it.
Bye.
Do you think I'll ever get powers, Emily?
Jessica.
Do you think I'll ever get powers, Emily?
Yes. Everyone gets their powers one way or another.
When did you get yours?
Like when I was 13.
But we're 16.
Yeah. Possibly.
We are 16.
Yeah. So I might have got my powers at 13 or 16. I don't remember when.
We're 16 right now.
So yeah, I'm probably 13.
If I'm not gonna get my powers, oh my god, I just got a dibble jubble. I don't even know what I'm supposed to be saying right now.
Hi. Hi, Brianna.
Hello, Emily.
Anyways, I'm jumping off the tree.
The whole tree just vibrated. Oh my god, I'm on top of the whole tree. Look.
Anyways, I'm gonna take a sip of my water bottle.
Ah!
You good?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Okay, I'm gonna take a sip of my water bottle.
Class is starting. Come on, let's go. Well, what do we have here? This must be Emily's. I'm gonna mess around with it. Hee. Emily, where are you going?
I was just grabbing my water bottle so we meet you up at lunch.
Yeah, we better. I just want lunchtime to be here. Like, I don't think I should be even coming to this school because I'm not gonna get a power anytime soon. It looks like.
Oh my god! I just realized. Now that PE's over, we have to go outside.
To practice our powers, which I don't have.
Yep.
Let's go then. You can show me your powers.
Stupid. Oh, there's the tree that we practice on use for powers. Anyways, my turn.
Okay, I don't get a turn because I don't have any. Oh!
Who's that Renee? Might want to go before the tree burns down.
Go, 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 go. How was that? Was that supposed to happen?
Yeah, it's one of my powers, remember?
I'm thirsty, honestly. I'm gonna go get a drink.
Okay, I'll wait for you here. It's lunchtime anyways.
What the heck?
Now, who just did that again?
Let's get out of the fire. Okay, here's my drink. Let's go over here. There's a water. Let's sit by the water fountain.
Okay.
Okay, here's my lunch. I got a turkey sandwich,
Ooh.
a burger,
Okay.
and some apples.
Nice. Well, this is what I have. I have a whole chicken. Yes, I want to have 6 juice boxes. 6.
Six juice boxes?
And 1 apple slice.
Okay. And I also got my orange juice. Probably shouldn't have gotten that drink if I had orange juice.
I also have my water bottle.
Yeah, let's drink out of our water. Let's drink.
Well, I'm gonna eat first.
Yeah, me too. This burger is really good. I'm glad I chose it first.
Did you hear that the government is making like powers before we can use them again?
Well, I don't have powers, so I didn't hear about that.
Yeah, but I saw it on the news last night. Anyways, I'm gonna go take a sip of my water bottle.
Okay.
Okay, well, I don't feel so good. I'm gonna go to the nurse.
Okay. I wonder what's taking Emily so long to get back. Oh my god. Oh my god. Emily, what's happened to you?
I'm just a guy.
Emily?
Time to go kill the government.
I have to stop her. I might not be able to because I'm powerless, but I have no choice. Oh my god.
Hi, Brianna.
What have you done?
I done what I should have done a long time ago. And you're next.
Go! Get me away!
Brianna. Come out. There you are.
Get away! I thought you were my friend.
Oh, but I am.
You wouldn't be trying to set me on fire if you were.
Stop moving or this will be worse for everyone. Especially your family.
Get away from me!
You don't want me to hurt your family, do you?
I don't want you to hurt me.
I'm going to your house.
You don't know where I live.
You think I wouldn't if you think I wouldn't? I'll just locate it. Like everyone else. Hi.
Yeah.
Oh, looks like someone got their own little powers.
Yep, and I'm not afraid to use them.
That was fun.
Yeah, we're definitely not friends anymore.
Hi, Nina. It's
Not afraid to use it. How did this feel?
You know what? You're making this harder. So you know what? Say bye-bye to Mom.
Hi, yeah! Come on, come with me.
Better run before I get you.
Why are you trying to target me? What did I ever do to you? You better watch out for this!
You were saying
Poison needles, go!
you never run. Do you still want to keep this survey going? Or do you just want it to end here and now?
What are you trying to tell me?
Either you die here, or the whole world dies.
Why do you want to kill me? What did I do?
Oh, well, you're the one left in this little spit. Everyone parents already did. Damn my head. What? Oh, you're the third?
Yeah?
What just happened?
You kind of turned evil.
Why is everything on fire?
Jessica kind of put something in your water and,
Wait. What else?
You tried to kill my parents. You tried to kill my parents, and you tried to kill me.
And
Well, you might want to back up.
why?
You just back up. You'll see why.
Okay, you got powers?
Sort of.
And wait, why is there blood on my hands?
Because you kind of killed everyone.
Oh.
Don't worry, I sent someone, and don't worry, someone's gonna bring them back.
What about the government?
What?
What about the government? Did he live?
You kind of killed him too. Okay, well, I don't know when I'm getting, when my hair's gonna turn green.
So, question. What happened to the school?
You exploded it.
Yay, no more school! Yes.
It's gonna be rebuilt, unfortunately.
Darn it.
Unfortunately.
Man, I wish there was some more school. But, anyways.
Yeah, when you think about, when did your look change? Like, when you get your powers, when did your look change? The next day you get them?
Yeah, basically, the next day my hair was all orange and stuff.
Yeah, so tomorrow when I wake up, my hair will be all green?
Yeah, possibly, yeah.
I'm so excited to see what my hair will look like tomorrow.
Also, where are your parents? Oh, they're down here.
Oh yeah, I remembered, I just saved them. So, so hopefully have the power, this vine heals everyone. These.
Oh, what happened to Jessica?
You killed her. I'm gonna bring everyone back but her. Okay, this will bring everyone back but Jessica.
And Brad.
Yeah. Pooh! Everyone's alive again.
Yeah, so that happened.
What?
Who's gonna take the
Blame for everyone being dead?
bring back Jessica real quick? Or just blame her?
Okay.
Hey, Jessica.
You're gonna take the blame for us, okay? No, I'm not taking the blame.
Take the blame where you're dead.
Yeah. You got powers? You don't deserve those. And she's dead. Okay, let's go home.
Okay.